Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix shared games disappearing from your Steam library. This is a common issue that can happen because of authorization problems, account synchronization errors, family sharing settings, or temporary Steam server issues. The good news is that there are several fixes you can try to restore your shared games and get back to playing. First, check whether Steam Family Sharing is still enabled on the game owner's account. Have the owner sign into Steam and click the Steam menu in the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, click Family from the menu on the left side. Make sure Family Sharing is enabled and verify that your device still appears in the list of authorized devices. If the device is missing, it will need to be authorized again. Next, sign out of Steam completely and sign back in. To do this, click Steam in the top left corner and select Sign Out Account from the drop-down menu. Once signed out, close Steam entirely, reopen it, and log back into your account. This refreshes your account data and often restores missing shared games. Another common cause is that the game owner is currently using their library. Although Steam Families is more flexible than the older sharing system, certain restrictions can still affect access to shared content. Ask the game owner to close any active games and sign out of Steam temporarily, then check whether the missing games reappear in your library. You should also verify that you're still part of the Steam family group. Click your profile name in the top right corner of Steam and select Account Details. On the Account Details page, look for the Family Management section. Review the family members listed and confirm that your account is still part of the family group. If you've been removed or the invitation expired, shared games may disappear immediately. Another useful fix is to restart Steam completely. Click Steam in the top left corner and choose Exit Steam. Wait a few seconds, then launch Steam again. If that doesn't help, restart your computer as well. This forces Steam to reconnect to its servers and refresh family sharing permissions. You can also clear Steam's download cache. Click Steam in the top left corner, select Settings, then choose Downloads from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will ask you to sign in again afterward. While this won't remove your installed games, it can fix library synchronization problems that cause shared titles to disappear. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, temporarily disable it and restart Steam. Steam may have trouble verifying family sharing permissions when account locations or network information suddenly change. It's also worth checking whether the missing games are still eligible for family sharing. Some games may become unavailable due to publisher restrictions, third-party launcher requirements, or changes to Steam's sharing policies. If only one or two games are missing while the rest remain available, this may be the reason. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.